Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm a watercolor artist and a surface designer based out of North America, and I'm so happy to see you here. I'm so happy that I'm finally able to talk to you about my book called Modern Watercolor Workshop, which has been in the making since past 19 months. I finally received my author's copy, the very first copy that I got to touch and feel, and I'm very happy that I'm able to show this book to you before it is officially available for shipping. You can pre-order the book now starting August 1, and the official publication date is October 28, 2024. Get ready to fall in love with watercolors as you dive into creating pieces that will quiet your brain, nourish your soul, and fill you with joy and satisfaction.